Welcome to the in front of me, Xiaomi 12, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go into the Gmail application, and after that click on the right upper corner, and now you can see that we are logged in into two accounts at the same time. And now I'll just show you how to log out from one from these accounts. So just to do that, we should log out from the Google account on our device. So just to do that, we should go to the this manage accounts on this device section. Then click here to the Google section, and here we can see there's our two accounts. Now just to log out from one from these accounts, for example from the second one, click here and tap to the more icon. After that, just click here to remove account, and to confirm your actions, click to remove account again. And as can you see that in Google account settings we stay only with one account. So now we'll go back here again into the application, and if you will check, we can see that we stay only with one account here in Gmail application. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.